Hey guys, Mrs. M here. Today I just wanted to go over some of our problem solving strategies. If you notice, I wrote my problem in my problem solving strategy UPS check sheet. It says Allison purchased 4 bags of oranges. Each bag contained 17 oranges. How many oranges did Allison buy? First, I want to make sure I note what's important. 4 bags is important because that's what she purchased. And each bag contained 17. My question is, how many oranges did Allison buy? And I bracketed that so I know what's important. Now, when I plan, I know I want to make my strip diagrams. So start off by making a rectangle. I know I'm going to divide it in 2, like so. And the top is what I don't know, is how many she's bought. I know that she purchased 4 bags, so I'm going to divide that bottom part into 4 separate sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each of those bags, or those portions, Allison had 17 oranges. So I'm going to write the number 17 in each of those sections. Now, in the past, we've done repeated addition, and I can go 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17 equals how many oranges Allison bought. But we can also do a multiplication equation. And this way I can go 17 times 4. So 17 oranges times her 4 bags is going to tell us our answer. So I have my planning. I know what equation I'm working with, 17 times 4. Well, we're working on using the area model to solve multiplication. I know that 17 has 2 place values, a 10 and 7, composed to make 17. So I know I need to start by making my area model that contains 2 separate rectangles. And I see that here. And I'm going to decompose. I know that I have a 10 on this side and a 7 here because 10 and 7 again make 17. And I'm going to multiply that 7 by 4. And I'm putting that factor here at the top, the 4. So inside, I'm going to write my equations. 10 times 4, because that's my first section, and then 7 times 4. Now, just like our partial product with addition and subtraction, we're doing the same thing. So 10 times 4 equals 40, and 7 times 4 equals 28. Now we just need to add our place values together. 0 and 8 make 8, 4 and 2 make 68. So I might assume that if my answer statement, Allison bought 68 oranges. There's my answer statement. But I'm not done with my problem yet because I should always check my work. I can check this using my repeated addition equation from above. So I can go 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17. Well, I already am pretty good at doubling. So the first thing is I'm going to double each of these. I know that 17 and 17 make 34 because I just doubled 17. But look, I can double again. 34 and 34 make 68. Does my answer match where I solved? Yes, it does. Therefore, I can conclude I think my answer is Allison bought 68 oranges. See you later, friends.